I'm not pressure you, Maureen, but wait for you though.
Just want to make sure me not make a bad decision again. Cause enough of them me make already.
Bad decisions help you to make good decisions. You have to take chances, you know.
Me take enough chance in that department there. So right now, me want to take all of my chance them in a business. Make money.
Anything you say, Maureen?
Marlon, I have two kids from two failed relationships. Alright? And because of the decisions that we make, the bad decisions, I never get to be a mother to them when they were small.
Why you don't want to talk about your past?
No offense, but I don't know you that well.
So after the time we spent together, that not count for nothing?
Marlon, we still a date. We don't even know much about each other. We can't even call this a relationship.
So what you meeting? She can't come at the house?
No?
Hold on. Wait. Yeah, what's your mother?
Not really. Well, kinda.
T, you sure you're not at the age and something you're too far? Like, your mother a big woman, you know, so she can't talk to whoever she want to talk to.
Karim, you don't know my mother. That woman prone to make bad choices. Pay crosses she pick up.
All of make bad choices. I so we learn.
She take too long for learn from fear one them. I look like she want to repeat them.
I know you play her mother.
Karim, me not play her mother. But me most can advise her.
I want to learn, but yeah, hesitate.
Me have reason for hesitate. Just please respect the fact that I want to move slow. Please.
Alright, I'm gonna mention it again.
You see how Tony and behave when she comes to we have a business lunch? You think we can go to her and tell her that we have a relationship?
You know, say you are the mother, right?
Yes. But we still have a concern about how she feel.
By the way, why should just turn up at the restaurant so?
Because she know the place. I somewhere where she buy food regular.
So, yeah, say a coincidence then.
So what you think? My daughter watch me?
Never say that, you know. It just look like a come she come say body up and leave.
But who? Listen, I'm me and mother, not the other way around.
Tell yourself that, but it sound like you are the picnic.
Showing your people respect don't mean you're afraid of them, here?
Now try to tell you what to do, you know. I hear that you have to know how to handle her.
Yes, me know.
Maureen, why you be so strong? And I argue with you, you know. Sorry if me offend you.
Marlon, all me ask you, go just focus on the business side of things, alright? And everything else will fall into place.
Anything you say, Allah.
Thanks.
Tell me something. You know the person your mother involved with?
No, but I do a research on him.
And we find out.
Me find out, same associate with some unscrupulous people.
Some of a criminal record.
No?
So agent T, where do you for a living?
It look like him in a real estate and him run some small business.
Okay, so he's a businessman that don't have a criminal record. Where's the problem is again?
something not right about him. Plus, Shepherd did tell her say she would be weird of a call from a man.
So, what you want to do for the rest of the evening?
Well, let's see.
Give me a minute there. Wagwan. What him say? Yo, tell him say him not own the company again. I'm mining upon the registration. Tell him say if him go to the police, them a go rebout him. You hear that?
Everything alright?
Yeah, man. When you run more than one business, you get wicked sometimes. You know?
Yes, Mr. Multi-business owner. So, you still want to know what I want to do?
Of course. But first, I need a signature for something. I need to send it off to the dealer.
Alright, so where's the documents?
When I have it, you know, they're the dealer. I just need your signature to sign this off.
So, you want me to send me signature to somebody who I don't know?
I'm not just somebody. My brethren. I'm bringing the people them for me.
So, if we go there now and deal with it.
John O'Star. You just mash up the surprise.
Surprise, which surprise?
The new bus I'm going to buy, your name I go on it.
What? You serious?
And that him want the signature for. I get a deal and him don't want it to fall through.
Alright. What if I sign?
Just sign on the blank space upon the phone.
There you go.
Thank you. Now you're a part owner of a 25-seater. How you feel?
Productive and independent.